I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube Music app and signing in. This ensures your library and offline tracks are available. Once done, grant any requested media or background play permissions so Android or iOS can keep audio alive. If you have premium, background play is native. If not, prepare alternate steps. Make sure you have a downloaded playlist if you want offline playback, because streaming with the screen off can be interrupted by sleep settings or carrier limits. You next enable background and offline settings inside the app. This tells the player to continue when the screen locks. If you hold premium, simply start playback and lock the screen, audio continues. If you use the free tier, open YouTube Music in a mobile browser, request the desktop site, start the song, then lock the phone. This often keeps audio running. Also, download the playlist to local storage to avoid network pauses and conserve battery. You, finally, lock the screen and verify playback controls in Notifications or Control Center. That confirms audio is active. If playback stops, make sure battery optimization isn't killing the app and disable it for YouTube Music, because aggressive power saving often stops background audio. If problems persist, force close and reopen the app, re-download tracks, or sign out and back in. These steps refresh your session, and you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.